Lungs are primarily for breathing. They take in air, providing essential oxygen. But what if our lungs have hidden capabilities? Recent discoveries suggest lungs might also be involved in making blood. This challenges our understanding of the respiratory and circulatory systems. Traditionally, blood cell production was thought to occur exclusively elsewhere. This new finding compels us to reevaluate our understanding of the lungs. If confirmed, this could revolutionize medical treatments. It could offer new hope for individuals with blood disorders. Furthermore, it could enhance our comprehension of lung diseases. This discovery holds significant potential to improve human health. We must explore it further with rigor and curiosity. Understanding our bodies is crucial for combating disease. Gaining deeper knowledge allows us to develop better strategies. This discovery is not just a curious fact, it has real potential. We must dedicate ourselves to exploring it further. For a long time, bone marrow was considered the primary blood factory. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets originate here. This understanding has been central to medical science. However, a breakthrough came from scientists at UCSF. They discovered a large number of platelets in the lung vasculature of mice. This suggested the lungs might be making platelets. This finding was revolutionary. It indicated that the lungs could play a significant role in blood production. This does not diminish the importance of bone marrow, but it shows that the lungs are a major partner in this process. This fundamentally changes our understanding of the blood system. It opens new doors for research and medical exploration. The lungs, an organ primarily associated with breathing, have a broader role. This discovery is a game changer. UCSF scientists investigated how lungs produce platelets. They found megakaryocytes, the parent cells of platelets, in the lung tissue of mice. These cells were active in making platelets. Using advanced imaging, researchers visualized platelets budding off megakaryocytes. This process occurred within the lung's blood vessels. The lungs were contributing significantly to the body's platelet supply. Calculations showed the lungs produced about half of the new platelets in mice. This was a major surprise. The bone marrow shares this vital job more significantly than previously understood. The lung's unique structure might facilitate platelet production. Megakaryocytes might become lodged in the lung's capillaries. Blood flow could help shed platelets from these cells. This discovery leads to further questions about the lung's role. UCSF researchers found blood stem cells in the lung tissue of mice. These hematopoietic stem cells can develop into all types of blood cells. This finding suggests the lungs might generate other blood cell lineages. The lungs could serve as a significant reservoir for these vital cells. This redraws our map of the body's hematopoietic system. Researchers quantified these stem cells, finding about 1 million per lung in mice. These cells seem to reside within the lung tissue. They might travel between the bone marrow and the lungs. This indicates a dynamic and interconnected system. The body can mobilize these cells as needed. This capability could be useful if the bone marrow is damaged. This discovery could alter how we treat blood disorders. Conditions like thrombocytopenia could benefit from targeting the lungs. Enhancing platelet production in the lungs could offer new therapies. If the bone marrow is damaged, lung stem cells could help repopulate it. Lung infections might affect blood production within the lungs. This warrants more research. Understanding this interplay could improve treatment strategies. Platelets play a role in inflammation and immune responses. Lung inflammation is common in chronic lung diseases. Locally produced platelets might influence lung health. This connection requires more study. It could lead to novel treatments for chronic lung conditions. The lung is more than just an organ for breathing. It is involved in blood production and acts as a reservoir for stem cells. This changes our traditional view of the lung. These insights have implications for lung transplantation. Donor stem cells in transplanted lungs could affect the recipient's blood system. This needs to be understood to improve transplant outcomes. Knowing about the lung's capacity for blood production could change how we manage lung diseases. This discovery opens a new field of pulmonary hematology. Scientists will explore the links between the lungs and the blood system. This is an exciting time for medical research. The lung still has many secrets to reveal. The discovery in mice raises questions about human lungs. Do human lungs also make blood cells? Early studies show promising signs. Researchers are examining human lung tissue for evidence of hematopoiesis. Preliminary indications suggest human lungs might share these capabilities. More research is needed to confirm these findings. This work will take time and careful study. Our bodies possess hidden abilities and backup mechanisms. The lung has surprised us profoundly. Science is a dynamic journey of continuous discovery. Each new finding opens new paths for exploration. This discovery could lead to innovative treatments. We must continue to explore with open minds.